Manufacturers of all varieties and of various sizes and complexity face problems with fragmented and/or limited visibility into shop floor operations. Teams don't know what's late until it's already a problem. Schedules change, but they don't always reach the floor fast enough. In this video, we'll be highlighting the Kanban view of our FactorySync production scheduler. To orient ourselves to the solution, notice that we're using native NetSuite. The FactorySync scheduler fits as a part of your NetSuite environment, so you never have to leave NetSuite to schedule or plan for production. Let's take a look at the top portion of the screen, the filters. We have 5 different categories of filters: status, work center, project, assembly item, and location. The status view shows the current status of a NetSuite work order. The work center allows you to filter operation views at specific machines or production areas on your shop floor. The project filter allows you to narrow down specific projects or jobs you might want to focus on. Assembly items allows you to only filter specific finished goods that you're producing. And location allows you to show only certain locations where the work is being produced. These filters are customizable for your specific instance of NetSuite. So for example, if you don't utilize projects as a workflow or use case in your manufacturing operation, you can remove it in the settings. You can use the control or shift features on your keypad, along with your mouse, to multi-select in each filter, and then you click Apply Filters in your view. You can always click Clear All if you want FactorySync to release the filters you've set and show everything. Now that we're familiar with this critical piece, let's move down to one of 4 views in FactorySync, Kanban. In Kanban, you can break down your view into either operations by status or work orders by status. In addition, you can select the date range you'd like to view. Now let's see Kanban in action. I'm going to select to only show our Denver and Sacramento locations from dates March 1st to March 31st and click Apply Filters. In the Operations by Status view, I can see that Work Order 522 has not started any of its steps in production yet, since they are listed in the Not Started column. I can also see that both the overall work order as well as that operations step are delayed with these indicators. If I wanted to, I could go ahead and release the work order for production. Moving to the right, the In Progress column, I can see that Work Order 702 currently has 2 production steps in progress. This yellow tag shows me that the operation is delayed. If word comes from the floor that we've finished production on this work order, I can mark it as built. I can also click this wheel to either have NetSuite create a work order completion, or I can issue components to this work order as well. And if I go back up, I can click Work Orders by Status. This takes the same information, but instead of showing me individual steps in production, it shows me the overall work orders. It sorts them by columns: planned, released, partially built, and built. The same features apply here as well. A tag showing me the work order is delayed, a green release button to release the work order. In fact, I can click Release Multiple and release a number of work orders into production at once, saving a lot of clicks. Moving to the Partially Built column, here is a button to mark a work order as built. Or at the top, I can click to mark a number of work orders as built all at once, again, saving clicks. The wheel still allows me to create a completion or issue components. FactorySync allows shop floor managers, VPs of operations, or any executives who require the visibility to understand what's going on at any given time on their shop floor, all tied in unison with other key aspects of the business like finance, procurement, inventory operations, and shipping.